Hello, I'm standing in my underwear because we're about to try on a lot of new clothes that I rented for the month. Not sponsored. I have been renting my clothes from Nuuly for, it's been about 3 years now, and I really enjoy it. Some months are better than others, but what I like about it is I can wear brands that I probably wouldn't otherwise invest in because they're a little bit higher end in terms of budget for me personally, but it is super fun to try on. So let's just jump on in to it. It's interesting because some of the stuff comes new with tags, which is super fun, but then some of it comes still in pretty good condition, but because they launder all of it, sometimes it's just not like the best of the best in terms of quality. But this is rumored in an extra small. Not the right bra for this. And for some reason I ordered these are the Pistol LA, which I really like, in 26, I'm guessing petite. I hope I did this right. This is not my size. I'm not sure what I was thinking. Sometimes I get a little bit like gun shy? No, I get a little like freaked out about ordering because they basically they auto renew you on your renew date, and unless you pause it or cancel it, they charge you. And so you want to make sure that you order that day so you're not like paying for days that you don't have clothes. Am I making sense? I feel like I need another cup of coffee. Anyways, and so sometimes I just get a little freaked out and I just order. Oh, maybe I read the reviews because these fit really nice. Anyways, sometimes I order things and then I'm like, why did I do that? Okay. Cute. Yeah, so they do have great reviews on there, kind of breaking down sizing and fit and all that, and I appreciate the people that review on there. I should probably review myself, but I guess I'm reviewing here. But these are really quite cute. They've got little heart detailing. I haven't bought a pair of denim in a really long time, and I'm grateful for that because denim shopping is really difficult and denim can get very expensive. And I also feel like the styles are changing all the time, so it's nice to rent them. All right, now I'm going to look at myself in the mirror. Be right back. I mean, they're not the perfect fit on me, but they'll definitely do. I'm not sure what to do about this top. I do like it. I just don't want to have to deal with the strapless bra. Does anyone ever want to deal with strapless bra? Do you guys have a good strapless bra? Let me know in the comments below. But cute color, cute fit. I'm 5'1" for reference. I often order the petite stuff or stuff that they say is cropped because then it's a normal length on me, but cute. Just a mom trying to get some style in her, what is style anymore? We don't know. She doesn't know. Sometimes I look at the youth and I'm like, that's what we're wearing right now? Good on ya, but I'm gonna keep dressing like a mom. Okay, next. A Claire V t-shirt. I really want a Claire V purse, but they are very expensive. But the Claire V shirts I've rented before and I really like them. Thought it's nice to have just a cute little graphic tee moment. Oh, this is cute. I like this paired with these. It's oversized, but we are okay with that. We are into the oversized right now, even as a short person. Sometimes I feel like oversized can really overwhelm and overpower the bod, but this one fits really nicely. Cute. I'm probably gonna just wear this out today when I go pick up my kiddo and take her to ballet. What do you think about that? Yeah, I feel like with these pants, I have a problem with this situation right here. Does anyone else have that? Is that a C-section thing? I just feel like all the pants are a little tight here and then loose everywhere else. Also, to be frank, you're a little bit on an angling down moment right now so that I can get everything into frame. So I feel are you getting the true version? These pants are a little wonky. Great shirt though, Excuzes-Mois, Haha, I love it. Okay, next. It has occurred to me that every top or dress that I got is somewhat requiring a strapless bra. I didn't think about this. And see, this one came new with tags, which is super exciting. So usually if you want to get the new with tag ones, you just look at the latest items that they have added to Nuuly. This is Ellie is the brand. This feels like a Free People thing. That being said, sometimes with the very new stuff, the new tag stuff, there aren't any reviews, so you're kind of like taking a chance. But if you know the brands in theory, or you just like have a good idea of what styles look good on you, then new tags is where it's at. Okay, I'm obsessed with this top, obviously, love it. Let me know like what color bra am I supposed to wear underneath though? Because the white that I'm wearing right now is so white. Should I do more of a nude moment? Should I do a nudie? A nudie patootie? It looks pretty okay with these denim. I'm not obsessed with these denim, which is like a little frustrating. When you order a box or you're like Nuuly order and like the one denim doesn't work, it's kind of a frustrating experience because then you're like, ugh, I guess I gotta wear my old denim again for the month. Oh, woe is me. I know, but listen, there's very few things that I buy for myself or rent for myself. And this is my little bit of joy. Not to say the rest of my life isn't joy, but you know what I'm saying? Like this is something for me. I'm yapping, let's go. I did take a chance on these pants. Like I had mentioned, this is one of those new with tags moments where there were absolutely no reviews. The brand is Little Lies. I'm not even gonna take the tags off. You know why? Because if it doesn't work, I'm gonna let someone else enjoy the new with tag moment like I'm having right now, which I never thought of doing until this moment. I'm such a good person. Okay, here. Oh wait, these are fun. Oh, this is cute. My daughter has her ballet recital coming up and I like wanted something cute to wear, but like not overkill, you know? Is it these? This is how they showed the outfit online and I thought that was so cute. I went for it. I usually only do petite pants because of the length, and Lord knows I'm not wearing heels like ever again. Maybe like a platform moment, but like, ugh, get out of here with that. Okay, I feel like this is real cute. Is it too like pooftastic, Mr. Boombastic? I think I love it. I think I love it. The pleat sometimes is a little like, but maybe the pleat is helping with this area that I was concerned about prior. Okay, what color bra do I wear underneath for real now? I think I need to go with like a nudie patootie. Okay, yes, guys, what do you think? With like some cute little flat sandals, maybe like a gold moment, little necklace, call it a recital outfit. Okay, we have a few more recital options. Maybe I can wear a bra with this. Okay, I've been eyeing these forever. They're usually sold out or like rented out. This is the Hill House Home, the nap dress, trademarked in an extra small. I don't know if they have petite in this, but I have been really eyeing this and I really want it to work. I gasped at the color when I put it on. Like, I feel like this is a good color for me. Okay, hold on. Not the right bra, not the right bra. Okay, wow. I love her. I love her. Not the right bra, not the right bra. I picked poorly on the bra situation. I'm still working through the bras. Can't quite figure out what my favorite bra to wear is. But anyways, this is so cute. Loving the color, loving the fit and flare. Sometimes with these kind of dresses, there's just too much fabric. I mean, I probably should like steam it down a little bit, but like so cute. Fits right in all the good places. And even for not being a petite, I feel like the proportions work really nicely. Yes, we love her. Who is she? She is a fashionable, loving lady. You know what I mean? Love it. Love her. Is it too poof? I don't think so. I think because of this part, which is like more of a bodice mom, the poof works. And it has pockets. We have one more dress and then a cute top that certainly doesn't look like it's gonna work. Let's do the other dress and then we'll put the top on. Thank you for being here. I just feel like I'm hanging out with my buds in the dressing room of Zara. Remember when you used to do that? I miss those days, but man, the lines at Zara are out of control. Even if I had the time to myself with my best bud to go there, why are the lines always so long at Zara? Please, somebody answer me that. Oh, and I will leave the links to this stuff down below. So you can check out like the pricing and stuff on Nuuly. You can also like buy all this stuff used from Nuuly at a discounted price. It usually depends on how long the item has been on there. Gross. I'll also leave my Nuuly like sign up link, affiliate link. It's just an auto-generated one. I'm not, again, affiliated with them, but like I think you get a discount off your first go at it if you want to give it a go. All right, this is a straight up Anthropologie label, which is a little iffy for me, even in the petites, because I really do think Anthropologie uses way too much fabric, but let's go for it. I mean, I obviously love a Moo. Obviously. Just struggle again with the bra situation. Also, this one has a lot of fabric. If I knew my husband, he's gonna say, cute, put a belt on it. That's his fashion advice. Yeah, this ain't it. It's not like the Hill House one, which I guess that's why everyone liked that one, because it has that bodice situation. This is just like frumpy central. I feel like if you're like super tall, you can pull this off. Just feel like at my height, that's gonna be a pass. But all things considered, pretty much everything is a hit. So one miss in the game isn't bad. I had an extra credit. So you like order 6, but you can order 2 more for, of course, an additional price. Everything's additional price if you want it to be. If you want it shipped faster, you know, you can pay for anything, right? They're just gonna upsell you. But I had a credit because something went awry last time. Can't remember if there was like a rip in something or if it got delivered late. I don't know. Their customer service, A++ on the customer service. And so I got an extra item. So we're just gonna call this the extra item. I mean, I could just like wear this around the house, I guess. Isn't this giving trad wife?
It's giving Amish wife.
Yeah. Wait, what would be your suggestion for this dress?
My suggestion is that you get a butter churn and get creamin', lady. Oh no!
Another new with tags. She is an extra small and her brand is Aster the Label. I don't know why I said it like that. So many bibs and bobs here. All right. Wow. Hi, boobies. How are you? Haven't seen you in a while. I'm out of breath trying to get this on, which is absurd. Okay. So cute for a night out that I'll probably not have during this rental period, but it is quite cute. I think these are adjustable, which is nice. Now maybe I'll have to plan a date night. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I love it. I love this top. It actually like is super supportive and like the hungas, you know? A little showing of this. I wouldn't wear these denim with it, but I would wear something similar, like a little casual on the bottom. I suppose I could. Yeah, I mean, this is like more booby than I've had out in a long time. I kind of feel like I'm in college again. I used to wear like peplum shirts all the time with my boobs like this. Whoa, I've just been transported. I really do feel like I'm in college. Wait, is this like college vibes video with the Marlboro in the back? If you missed out on that last video, we opened a mystery package and it was so silly and so much fun. And that was like one of my favorite items that came from it. Okay, so I would say actually like this is a pretty good hit. Not a total miss. Probably gonna put that Claire V shirt back on, maybe some shorts, and just like call it an outfit. But I do feel the blue pants, the crochet top. Yeah, we got some hits here. What do you guys think? Which was your favorite? As I'm like, great posture. Yeah, let me know. This is fun. I like doing this with you. It's chaotic. It's wild. But if you're ever curious about any of these brands, now you know. Because you can also shop the brands straight from, I mean, some of them are Nuuly exclusives, but a lot of these items are items that you would see at Free People or Anthropologie. So it's just a different way of seeing what it looks like on a short gal. If you're a short gal like me, Or if you're not, you're just curious what it looks like, you can imagine that this would be really, really short on a tall person and still the same amount of boobs showing. All right, am I this person now? Do I show my boobies now? Is that who we are, what we do? You know what, I'm gonna call up some girlfriends and we're gonna go out and I'm gonna let the ladies fly. Looking at myself in the mirror, convincing myself you could do it. Dress to impress your college self. Cute. Okay, see you next time, bye.